escaping trouble, understanding, out of the woods. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that paints a vivid picture of overcoming difficulties, out of the woods. This phrase is not only common in everyday English conversations but also rich in imagery and history. Let's unravel its meaning, usage, and origins to help you use it confidently in your English communications. Out of the woods is an idiom that suggests someone is no longer in a place of danger or difficulty. Imagine being lost in a dense, dark forest, where every step is uncertain. Finally, you see the light and make your way out to safety. That feeling of relief and security is what this phrase conveys. However, it's important to note that it's often used to imply that while the most immediate dangers have passed, there might still be challenges ahead. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from health recoveries to financial stability. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Health. After the surgery, the doctor said he's not out of the woods yet, but he's showing signs of improvement. Business. Our company survived the economic downturn, but we're not completely out of the woods. Personal challenges. She's been doing better since the breakup, but she's not out of the woods emotionally. In each case, out of the woods is used to describe a transition from a more perilous or challenging situation to a less dangerous one, highlighting ongoing recovery or improvement. The phrase, out of the woods, is believed to have originated from olden times when dense forests were common places of danger and getting lost in them was a genuine concern. It symbolizes emerging from an area of confusion or risk to a clearer, safer place. While the exact origins are hard to pinpoint, its use in literature and spoken language has cemented it as a metaphor for overcoming adversity. Understanding idioms like out of the woods not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances that make language learning so rewarding. Whether you're discussing health, business, or personal growth, this phrase can add depth and imagery to your conversations. Remember, language is a journey, and with each idiom, you're getting closer to fluency. Happy learning, and I hope this video has helped illuminate a path through the dense forest of English idioms.